finish what we started. Don't wanna cry about it.
Alright guys, so these are the parts we're using for this video. My cat's gonna be helping us put this build together right now. We're gonna go ahead and start by, oh my god. So this is an Apivia Enzo right here. It's a real nice pink case. It's gonna look great once we throw this pink flow cooler in there. We got a little bit of customization on the graphics card, some white DDR3 RAM. The case fans, of course, they match the CPU cooler right there. And we got some cable extensions too. They're gonna look real great. A little add-on. CPU motherboard combo was $20, so we're definitely gonna put this one to use for this build. So the first thing we need to do is replace this case fan. It's not really fitting the color scheme. It's already looking a whole lot better with the case fan in. We're gonna put the motherboard in. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put this RAM in, HyperX, Fury. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and install the case to the radiator so we can go ahead and throw this on the CPU. We got the radiator mounted at the top. All we gotta do is install this part. We're gonna go ahead and put these case fans on here.
Did you screw?
So we're almost done. It's looking real nice. Last thing we gotta do is install a graphics card and the SSD.